back on the road. I've spent 5 nights here in Hội An. Had a really good time. I put the camera down for the last couple of days. The priority is always going to be living in the moments rather than capturing them. Yeah, didn't really video anything, so there's a couple of days missing from the Vietnam Diaries, but yeah, driving up to Hue, and it includes a stretch of road called the Hội An Pass. It's 21 kilometers of mountain road. Apparently it's some of the best riding in Vietnam, so we'll see how it compares to some of the stuff we've already seen. Life would be a lot easier if I put the sat-nav on before I left. 4 hours and 13 minutes. Let's do this. This is the end of the Hội An Pass. Despite being up in the clouds and a little bit chilly, I've been to pass a lot of tankers and tour buses. Despite the traffic, yeah, that was a wonderful road. Would I say it was the best in Vietnam? Top 3, I reckon, that I've seen so far. But I've got plenty more roads in the north to ride on. Yeah, we'll add them to the comparison.